You look pretty. I don't like that look on your face. The average person falls asleep in 7 minutes.
There is nothing else to do.
Welcome to my house. It's creepy in here.
Why don't you die?
Someone is coming. Are you looking for something? You are fast, but not fast enough. Are you scared? He is behind you. Didn't think you would show up here.
You will die alone.
How did I end up here?
Bye.
History. Delete it. Help me. Some guy shot me. Oh, never mind, it's just you again. Could you unshoot me, please? It's not fun.
I'm not going to die.
Could you massage me? My back hurts.
He's going to kill me.